All right, today we are making some vegan caprese salad. All the recipes we're going to talk about are in this gluten-free Italian book, and it's by Mama Z, also Sabrina, AKA. Welcome today.
Thank you.
And here's the recipe, so show us what to do.
All right, so what we want to do is get it nice and thin, so you can use a serrated blade like this, or you can use a cheese knife. So we've got these amazing heirloom organic tomatoes. We're gonna take the center out, and a lot of times if the center is pretty big, there's also a bottom piece on the tomato as well. And so we're gonna just cut that bottom piece out too, so then we don't have any little brown pieces on there. And then we're just gonna slice these nice and thin. All right, so now that we've got a few in here, I'm gonna just kind of alternate them, and then we'll end up lining them back up too. This is called the cigar method, and we're gonna basically line all of these up, roll it up, and then cut them nice and small. So we wanna start with our bigger leaves on the bottom, and then work to our smaller leaves. You can just simply do basil, but we're gonna just add some parsley. We took the Italian parsley, has a little bit more flavor. And also we're gonna do some thyme. All right, so now we're really rolling this up together, and you can do it in multiple batches, but you don't have to. You can just do what I did here. We're gonna chop this. We're gonna cut off the little tops so that we have everything that we're gonna be using is very tender. And we're actually gonna use the scissors on this one to cut it up so that I can show you. So this is the scissor method. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put this over top. All right, now we're gonna do our parsley over top. Basically, you strip the leaves, just like that. And if they are supple enough, you want to just strip them so all you have is sticks. You don't want any sticks in there. So now we're going to take our pink Himalayan salt. All right, that's good. I love the white pepper. White pepper has just a different flavor, and I always choose to use white ground pepper. And then we're going to use a balsamic vinegar and an olive oil. So this olive oil is a basil olive oil, and I'm going to do that first, and we're going to go back and forth. Good job. You can be as heavy-handed as you want, because when we're all done with that, then even more.
Do more?
Yeah. We're going to get crazy in here, because once you're done, you can reserve this and fill your bowl up again with another round of this, or you can reserve it for salad dressing. Okay. And then it'll already have all the herbs and stuff in it. So then any of these little parts, I just kind of tuck them in the corners, around the edges, and fill in any little last spots.
Looks delicious.
And see how that just around the edge just gives it that last little glow.
Love it. We nailed it.
Yay, good job.